Children, today we will be learning the practical 12, in which we need to show that carbon dioxide is evolved in the process of respiration. For that, we will require 25 to 30 seeds of lentils like moong or matki. You can see here germinated seeds, children. Water, I have used here colored water, children. Conical flask, this is the conical flask, children. Bent delivery tube, you can see this is the bent delivery tube. I have already fixed this tube into 1 volt rubber cork, and in this I have arranged a test tube which contain the pellets of KOH, potassium hydroxide. We have used the pellets of potassium hydroxide. This bottle contains pellets of potassium hydroxide which are placed in this test tube. Now I will be using the flask and will be filling the germinated seed in the flask. Children, we have taken the germinated seeds into the conical flask, and now you can see so clearly. Now I will be taking this test tube which contain KOH in it. You can see KOH pellets are there in it which are white in color, and this is tied. You can see, children, the test tube is hanging with the KOH in the flask, and we can see this entire arrangement, and we have to tightly fix it. 1 volt rubber cork, double bend delivery tube. One side here it is bent and one side here it is bent. Therefore, it is known as double bend delivery tube. Inside KOH pellets are there in the test tube which is tied to the 1 volt rubber cork. Germinated seeds are in the flask, and other side of the test tube, delivery tube, will be dipped in the colored water, and after some time you will be observing the water level rising up in the delivery tube. See, children, this is the arrangement. We will observe it after 15 minutes, children. Children, now you can see very clearly, very good view is there. The water level which is there in the beaker have risen up in the delivery tube. See, this is the delivery tube. In this you can see colored water rising up. Not only rising up, the water is also dripping in the flask. This is because the germinated seed have given out carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide got absorbed by the KOH which we placed in this test tube. And since carbon dioxide was absorbed by KOH, there was vacuum created in the flask, and that vacuum has pulled this water up in the delivery tube. So this is a short test that there was carbon dioxide gas evolved during the respiration of the germinated seeds.
Okay.
Children, now we need to write down the observation. Carbon dioxide evolved in respiration is absorbed by KOH. Therefore, water level in the bent test tube have risen up. So we need to write the inference or the conclusion. CO2 gas is evolved during respiration in plants. See, children, there was KOH pellet in the test tube. KOH absorbed CO2 gas and therefore there came an empty space in flask. This created vacuum. Due to which colored water was pulled up in double bend delivery tube. Double bend delivery tube. Now see children, we will go for the multiple choice questions. For experiment showing that CO2 gas is evolved during respiration process in plant, arrange the following step in proper order. So the first is soak the gram seed in water overnight, keep them in conical flask. Then insert the test tube with KOH. This is the second step. This is the first step. Insert the test tube with KOH solution in the conical flask. Then the third step is keep the set ready for some time. And the last step is close the conical flask. Soak the gram seed in water overnight, keep them in conical flask. Insert test tube with KOH solution in the conical flask. Then third step is close the conical flask with the cork fitted with U-tube and then keep the set steady for some time. So this option C will be the correct option. Now the second one, decomposition is a type of anaerobic respiration. Mohan prepared lime water and next month used it for experiment showing CO2 gases evolved in the process of respiration. So, lime water must be fresh. You cannot use lime water anytime. So, lime water must be fresh. You cannot prepare it for a month and use it for the next month. Now, next option. Before arranging the experiment, carbon dioxide evolved during the process of respiration. The seeds must be kept moist till they are germinated. The seeds respire at the time of germination. While showing this experiment, a test tube with KOH is kept in the conical flask to create space in the conical flask. To create space in the conical flask by absorbing the CO2 gas.
What?
Children, now we will be discussing the exercise. The first question is, how do the process of respiration occurs in living organism? First we will see respiration. Respiration is a process in which cells obtain energy by breaking down the glucose. So this process of breaking down of glucose occurs at cellular level. So oxygen is used to break down the glucose and provide the energy. Now second question is, why do we feel tired on quick exercises? Now when we do exercise, very large amount of energy is produced, and for this large amount of oxygen is also required. Muscle cells undergo anaerobic respiration, which produces lactic acid, and this lactic acid makes us to feel tired. Since we perform lot of exercises, lot of lactic acid is produced in our muscles, which makes us to feel tired. Now the third question is, which type of respiration involves the process of fermentation? Anaerobic respiration along with the glycolysis involves the process of fermentation. So we are done with this experiment, children. Thank you for watching the video.